Hello everyone. Today our topic is template. So what is template? Well, template is a term or a technique related to the key feature of object-oriented concept, and that key feature are defined as a generic. Uh, Template defined as a most important characteristics of C++, but it is the part of ANSI C++. It means we cannot use the template with the old compilers. Uh, it play an important role to implement the feature of generic class as well as a generic function also, which means we can use our predefined data type in a general purpose, where the function works for all the data type of C++. Template also helpful for programmer to declare a group of function, or we can say it provides us the facility to declare a group of function as well as the classes both. When we use the function and the classes uh, defined as a function template as well as the class template. So basically template provide us the flexibility uh, in the program, and we can actually explain we can easily explain our concept with the different type of data uh, which work with the code of the program. uh, Now the next question is, what is the necessity of template? Well, template allows a single function or a class to work with different type of data, using different data type. Or through template, we can easily process any type of data, which defined as a generic feature as we discussed earlier. Template also overcome the limitation of overloading function, which provide different complexity in the program. And template is useful for the flexibility of program also. Well, the next question is category of template. Template has two categories. The first is class template and the second one is uh, function template. What is class template? When you work with the class using the concept of template, it's defined as a class template. And as similar, when we work with the user defined function using the concept of template is defined as a function template. But always remember one thing: template can't be declared inside the function or class. It always defined as a global format. It should not be defined in a local form. So my next question is, how to clear the function template? So let's check the function template first. This is the syntax of the function template. We can we can use this the term of function template using a small program first. So let's check the program of the function template first. Well, suppose we have a function named big to find the greatest value between two numbers. Suppose we take the number as int x, comma int y. Okay. Now use the conditional decision making statement. If a sorry not a x greater than y, cout x else cout y. So in this program, uh, let's call the void first. We use the declaration as well as definition at the same time. Now we need to call the function first. So the name of the function is big. So just call the big with the value, some constant value like 7 and 9. Here the value of x is 7 and the value of y is 9. Now obvious सी बात है ये return करेगा some values as a result of the which one is greatest. Now here I again want to call some different value, that is 9.9 and 7.8. Okay, and now again I want to call some different value, which is what, 9.9 comma 9.0. So here we get three different value is the big function uh, to make a comparison between x and y. So let's check the values. First save the file. The path is already set in the turbo C. Now use big.cpp, click enter. Oh, this is already exist. Click yes to overwrite your file, and use some key concept first. The call your header file first. Sorry for that. Touch, close. Then use the get uh, to check the result so that it hold the screen for a moment, or till we enter some till we press a button from the keyboard. Now just open the turbo file. It takes some time. Find your file. I hope it is visible to you all. So add your header file first. run your program. So it returns 9999. As we can see here, uh, it does not display the differences of 9.9, 7.8, and again the 9.9 and 9.0. It returns 99. So in that case, suppose we use a comment line in both the statement of the function call and use an equals to sign here, so that it returns if which x or bit, it just compare the differences uh, from the greatest then and then equals to. So let's check which one is greatest or equals from both of them. It returns 99. Is in that way we can see it returns the value of x and y both. Look, suppose we use the curly braces to make the if and else separate and use a clear screen. Now run it again. It returns 9. So there is no any differences between the 9.9 and the 9.0. So this is a kind of problem, or we can say a logical error, which actually we generally faced in our program when we take the data using the predefined data type int, and we want to get the value in the float. So to remove or to overcome of this problem, we have to use the concept of template first, and in this way we can use the word template. So we have to use the word template, and when we use the word template, as we know it does not define in a local form, so we have to use it in a global form. The keyword class and a name of the class. Here the class X is not defined as an object, it defined as the template name, which actually able to replace the value of the data type by using the concept of X. Okay, so X is here X is behave like a placeholder for us, through which we can easily explain the uh, we can easily explain explain the feature of our data type. Now what we have done here, we just replace the data type with the name of X. So X यहाँ पे मैंने void की जगह X कर दिया. Again I have to replace the int to X, and again I have to replace the Y to X. Okay, now let's check the program again using Alt R. It returns to error, improper use of type def X. Look, as we know, it violates the rule of naming convention rule of the variable. So we have to change the variable name here. Suppose we take A and B. So compiler easily find out the use of variable as well as the placeholder both. We can also change the name of the placeholder. Instead of X we can get any name. Now again run your program. It look, it returns what? It returns the value 9.9. So here we can see if we can use any type of data type, we can use any type of value here using the concept of template. So template easily provides us the flexibility in our program, and we can easily update the program with the recent value. We don't need to change the data type again and again according to our need. So this is the performance, or we can say this is the role of template in the program of C++.